Hey, I'm Martin, and I help manufacturers make great quality products. So I've noticed that manufacturers, particularly in the automotive and aerospace sectors, are facing mounting pressure to deliver high quality products, but also improving efficiency and scaling their operations. Even with a strong reputation and a skilled workforce, many find themselves held back by inefficiencies, quality risks, and legacy systems that limit their growth and agility. And I think that addressing these challenges isn't just important, it's essential to stay competitive. So what are the options for resolving these problems? Let's take a closer look right now. The first option is to make incremental adjustments based on the status quo. Many manufacturers try to improve quality and efficiency by making small incrementing changes to their existing process. Whilst this can deliver some short-term benefits, it often fails to address the deeper systematic issues. And the result of this is that the business remains vulnerable to operational risks and it can struggle to scale effectively. Option 2 is to make a complete system overhaul. This option is to replace all of the legacy systems with a brand new infrastructure. And while this can be effective, it's often cost prohibitive, it's highly disruptive to operations, and it requires significant resources to implement this approach. And for many manufacturers, this just isn't a realistic solution. The third option is an integrated, scalable digital transformation. And this is the approach that I advocate, because by focusing on lean principles, embedding quality control, real-time data analytics, and then continuous improvements, I think the manufacturers can augment their existing processes with digital tools. And I think this approach not only addresses efficiencies, but it also enhances the quality and enhances scalability, all without the disruption of a full system overhaul. And here's why a digital transformation is such a powerful solution, because it enables real-time decision making, it reduces waste, and it improves traceability. So with a scalable phase strategy, manufacturers can minimize risk, optimize production, and they can also make sure they meet rigorous quality standards like TS 16949 and AS 9100. So by implementing a structured framework for efficiency, quality improvement, manufacturers can achieve faster cycle times and reduce waste, consistent traceable quality with fewer defects, and scalable, flexible operations that support long-term growth. The challenges that are facing automotive and aerospace manufacturers demand a proactive and scalable solution. By embracing an integrated digital transformation, manufacturers can overcome these barriers, ensuring efficiency, quality, and growth, all while honouring their strong industry legacies. So in our next video, I'm going to dive into a 4-step process that can help you to implement an integrated, scalable digital transformation. One that can help your business overcome issues, ensure quality, and achieve sustainable growth. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.